What is up, everyone? It is Friday, December 28th already, and here is a look of the view in the morning here. So basically just hills and forest all the way around. Right now we're just about to head down and get breakfast, and then we head to do zip lining and the hanging bridges and the cloud forest and the butterfly and hummingbird garden. We just finished up breakfast. Here they basically give you 2 eggs, either fried or scrambled. I got fried, Tabi got scrambled. And then you also had your choice of either gallo pinto, which is rice and beans, basically in like a little patty thing, or pancakes. So we both went with pancakes. So they were like 2 little like 3-inch pancakes. So I had both of those. And one of the nice things they had here was with their coffee, they had fresh like cocoa powder, so you could make like your own sort of like mochas. So we both made those. And then they also had like a little almost like apple crisp like fruit jam thingamabobber for the pancakes or toast or whatever. So I had that as well. It was really good. And now we have about an hour until we have to leave for the zip lining and hanging bridges and all that stuff. It's starting to warm up a little bit more here now that the sun's kind of fully out, but the wind is still pretty cold here, especially like when you're in the shade. So probably going to bring a sweater, and Tabi's wearing like pants and a sweater. But yeah, that's pretty much the plan for now. We will see you probably in the park, in the forest. So, later. Alright, we're here for the zip line. I'm going to put this on the helmet, and we will see how this goes. Hiking up to the zip line. Are you excited?
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Hold here.
Yeah. Lean back.
Oh, God.
There you go.
Oh, dear.
There you go. Yep. Yep.
Go, have fun.
Pura Vida.
Pura Vida.
Don't break.
Ready?
Yep.
Rayhan. Woo! Wow, look at it, baby.
Oh god. You just step up?
Now, if I'm like right at the max weight,
How much do you weigh?
like 202. No? Okay. No problem. See. Looks like fun. Gracias. Pura Vida. How was it?
Terrified? Until and then once you're on, it's fine. But like you literally pushed me.
I know. He said I couldn't.
Because you weigh too much.
Yeah. He's like, many muscles?
Many muscles.
Okay. This the last one, the 1 kilometer.
I had to pee so bad.
Alright, well, we'll see you at the top.
Get close to the knee.
Yeah.
You feel like this? Break off.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. So it's so weird, like going through a cloud.
Hola.
Okay, vámonos. It's this way.
Okay.
Alright, we finished lunch. Now it's time for the hummingbird garden. What? Ooh, look at them all. Look at them all. Holy cow. There's some right here. Look at them. This is crazy.
Trying to get the last little bit out the bottom.
Just like that.
Oh my god. I wish I could give you a tissue had my camera. Can you get my phone? It's in my pocket.
Wait, which one?
Right, no, in the bottom.
That's cool.
You're mean.
Shiny.
Look at the baby one.
How's that gonna... This one? You hear them? There you go. Look at that. That's crazy. It's like
They don't like those, but yeah.
we've got like all three. Oh, there's two on my one finger. Look at them. They're both eating out of the same thing. Look how big he is. It's crazy. Do you see it like sticking his tongue
Yeah,
out?
that's how they get their nectar.
Whoa, did you see that? Okay. Well, that's what I went. We finished up the hummingbird thing. Now it's time for the treetop walks with the hanging bridges. Oh god, I'm falling off the path. I don't know if we're gonna have enough time for the butterfly garden.
No, because it would have been 3:15 would have been the last tour.
Oh, yeah. So we missed the butterfly garden.
Kind of sucks, but I got to see them.
Yeah. And I mean, butterflies would have been cool, but I think the hanging bridges are going to be a lot cooler. So, let's vamos.
Butterflies and bellas.
Okay. Let's go. There's the first one. Way up there. Okay, we're going to jump to the first bridge in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, and just like that, we are at the first one. 65 meters, 213 feet in length, and 17 meters high. So this is a pretty short one, or a pretty low one. Whoa, it shakes. Wow. Look at this. Man, how does this hold? This looks freaky as shit. Oh. You just feel it swinging. This is like the lowest one. You can hear the zip line. Oh, you can see the Superman one right there. Alright, catch you at the next one. It's like starting to mist a little bit. Look at this opening. This is only 19 meters apparently. There's some that are much higher. Here we are on the next bridge. As you can see, it's starting to rain. But look at how high up this is. This is nuts. Ooh-wee. Now it's getting super windy. We're like inside the cloud as the rain started. We are at the longest bridge here. 515 feet. 31 meters high, so it's not the tallest, but it is the longest. Here's a look. Oh, there's a lot of people on this one too. Look at it shake. We're literally like above these trees. Holy Mackinac. Wow. Look at that. Oh, we're getting stuck in a rainstorm. This is pretty cool. What you think?
It's cute. I haven't written that.
Look at this. There's water running below us. Holy shit. Holy moly. Oh, the sun's coming out. Yeah, yeah. Made it to the final bridge. We both have to pee. Remember, before you go ziplining and before you go on the treetop walk and the walking bridges, if you're here, go pee before, because it's a long time. It's like an hour and a half, 2 hours of not being able to pee. Oh, there's the zipline again, right above us. Meow. How was it?
My quad hurts. My bad quad.
Okay, now we're going to have a super bumpy, rough drive back. This must be a big snake that lives in there. It's a giant hole. Yeah, so we had to drive back up these crazy unpaved roads that are all twists and turns and ridiculously steep hills, and most of the time only wide enough for one car, but that is the plan. And then we'll get food later. That's pretty much it for tonight, and then tomorrow we head for Arenal for the volcanoes and hot springs, which I'm super pumped about. It'll be nice to relax. Yeah, be sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.
Just a moment of time and I open the blinds to all them that's still sleeping on me. Still they steady creeping on me, 'cause I'm the one that's spinning their dreams. They try to stop, but I still believe shit, I'm on my own in my own